by name Deng Mending from South Sudan, 22 years old of age, pursuing the Bachelor of Software Engineering at African Leadership University. My mission is to transform entrepreneurs, leaders through quality education and innovative skills in South Sudan. My target is to eliminate illiteracy across South Sudan with the commitment, self-respect, visions, and collaboration combined with the love of education and technology. My missions will be accomplished. I came to realize these missions due to a number of experiences, such as political conflict in South Sudan that forced me to be a refugee in Uganda, and corruption and poor economic system. In conclusion, challenges that are not only facing South Sudan but Africa at large. And since my mission involved creations of high institution of learning, secondary school, this will allow the young generation of Africa to acquire entrepreneurial and innovative skills that will allow them to create a prosperous Africa of their dream. Thank you.